Hey yo, it's Chris O. I'm about to start grouting. This is how you do it. Pour in a bit of water. That's probably 20 ml of water in that bucket, which will give me heaps of grout. I use ultra white for my walls. Give it a bit of a stir up. There's my knife. Oh, that's a little bit too high. Come down to the... That's better. Piss off. Bucket? I mean... That's just a little bit too runny. You don't have to mix up bucket loads of the stuff, you know. $20 ml of water gives you a fair bit of grout when you're grouting a 6x3 tile with a 1.5 mm joint. You don't need heaps. And if you run out, well then you just mix some more. I reckon that's just slightly runnier than toothpaste. But it's not absolute dripping off my trowel. That is the right texture, DIYs. Right, I'll come back to you soon.